Alrighty, so the screens are changed out. They're nice and tight. Not too tight to bend the metal. You got to balance that. Just enough tension. A little bit of dust, okay. Closer's back on. Got a thread up there. I'll cut that in a second. Alright, so unfortunately I don't carry this type of hardware with me, but they do have it on the shelf at Home Depot, and it's very homeowner friendly, and there's literally 2 screws there. And maybe I'll start carrying these on here, but it's so far in between that it's this type of closer. I can't carry everything, but anyways, my task looks great, and that's an easy homeowner project if you care to change this out to click onto there. Otherwise, the closer does it.